Dream team. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Okay, now stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh, I hit that. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Shake that ass. She ain't got face, but I like it for the ass. Yes, it's this candy, got done, up, break it, it's ass. It's ass, it's ass, it's ass. Shake that ass, it's ass, it's ass. Let me see you shake that ass. I ain't gagging, I don't understand the way she move it, damn, and she's really going hand. Put it all up, put it all down. Girl, on my sorry, you the hottest in the club. It's cause of that gazelle. How am I, she so blessed? Goddamn, the dress. Not stiff, but all you need is dance. Dream team. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Okay, now stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh, I hit that. Stop it, stop it, stop it, shake that ass. She ain't got face, but I like it for the ass. Yes, it's get this candy, got done, up, break it, it's ass. It's ass, it's ass, it's ass. Shake that ass, it's ass, it's ass. Let me see you shake that ass.
Stop, couldn't help but see that ass drop. She shake like a bottle, how that ass pop. Frame little, jing and get it, how that waist lock. Got the same dribble in the middle, got my path blocked. Like it when she jerking, spin it all around, drop it low when she twerking. Twerking?
It's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass. Dream team. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Okay, now stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh, I hit that. Stop it, stop it, stop it, shake that ass. She ain't got face, but I like it for the ass. Yes, it's get this candy, got done, up, break it, it's ass. It's ass, it's ass, it's ass. Shake that ass, it's ass, it's ass. Let me see you shake that ass.
Sexy can I show you that I love the way you wobble that bun, musu yega. You can call it shots. I'ma get the Jaeger backsliding, only grinding down Trizzy till I'm mega. I'm playing with that thing like Sega. She beat it like a drum while I'm brushing like a painter.
It's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass, it's ass. Dream team. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Drop it, jump it, pop it, lock it. Okay, now stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh, I hit that. Stop it, stop it, stop it, shake that ass. She ain't got face, but I like it for the ass. Yes, it's get this candy, got done, up, break it, it's ass. It's ass, it's ass, it's ass. Shake that ass, it's ass, it's ass. Let me see you shake that ass. She ain't got face, but I like it for the ass. Yes, it's get this candy, got done, up, break it, it's ass. It's ass, it's ass, it's ass. Shake that ass, it's ass, it's ass. Let me see you shake that ass.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into RadioDr.co.za. And just like that, we start off our show. Happy Monday, everyone. You are tuned into www.radiodr.co.za, and the name of the show is Monday Mayhem with your girl Minnie Thusi. It is the last Monday of the Youth Month. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm actually very angry that we always have to share Youth Day and Father's Day. We've been doing that for I think the past 2 years, because this is the second year we having Father's Day and Youth Day on the same day. They need to do something about this. They must shift Father's Day to July or something, because wow, we can't even breathe. Hey bo. But anyway, today we are talking about a matter that I saw on Twitter. And to me it was quite shocking and was just like, what? Things like these happen? But we are talking about KFC. So did you know that KFC gives warnings to their workers if they don't collect 50% of the 2 Rand for Hope? It's quite shocking. And I mean, you can't really force someone to donate the 2 Rand, and especially because most of the, well, not even most, KFC is quite affordable, okay? But they drinks, god damn it, we die when buying the drinks. So now my question to you is, are you now going to give the workers the 2 Rand because mostly they are our people, you know. So you must feel bad because they're gonna lose their jobs. Because I mean, surely they are only given 3 warnings, and then after that it's just like, bye guy, because you're not doing what you're supposed to do. So deuces to you. So I just want to know if you guys will now give the people the 2 rand for hope, to add hope. But I mean, why are we forced to now donate? Because surely they should take like a portion of their money and donate to the people. But we will be talking about this throughout the whole show. But for now, let me play you a girl that is winning, because she just released a video on Channel O, and the name of the song is Winning. It's by Yashna. Shout out to Yashna out there.
I just feel like I need my cash. That's like, boy, you man. I feel like I'm the man. I just feel like I need my cash. That's like, boy, you man. I feel like that's why I keep it real for my sisters. DBN, CPT sisters. That's why I keep it real for my sisters. Josie and the motherland sisters. I'm committed to the hustle. I've been cooking all night, boy. Don't you move a muscle, mama, gonna fix it right. Yeah, this woman independent. Yeah, this lady down the grind. Oh, need her with some time. Feel like Winnie in her prime. I got cash in my pocket now. I don't need no man. Car keys in my bra. Yeah, I don't need no man. I got cash in my pocket now. I don't need no man. Car keys in my bra. Yeah, I don't need no man. I just feel like I need my cash. That's like, boy, you man. I feel like I'm the man. I just feel like I need my cash. That's like, boy, you man. I feel like that's why I keep it real for my sisters. DBN, CPT sisters. That's why I keep it real for my sisters. Josie and the motherland sisters. We pull up like skirt. I don't trip out the surf. Tell a man don't say nothing, let's drop top of that fur. Summer with the small talk. Play no games, this is my throne. You running game, boy, I run the world. Who run the world? I got cash in my pocket now. I don't need no man. Car keys in my bra. Yeah, I don't need no man. I got cash in my pocket now. I don't need no man. Car keys in my bra. Yeah, I don't need no man. I just feel like I need my cash. That's like, boy, you man. I feel like I'm the man. I just feel like I need my cash. That's like, boy, you man. I feel like that's why I keep it real for my sisters. DBN, CPT sisters. That's why I keep it real for my sisters. Josie and the motherland sisters. I got cash in my pocket now. I don't need no man. Car keys in my bra. Yeah, I don't need no man. I got cash in my pocket now. I don't need no man. Car keys in my bra. Yeah, I don't need no man.
You're now tuned in to RadioDr.co.za.
I can't let it. I won't let it get in the way. You know. I feel that shit aside. Lies, I've told myself at times. And I can act like I don't want you. I can act like I don't need you, but I do. It's silly game I play, but you're on my mind all day. This is true. Can I confess? that your loving is the best that I've got. It's like I just won the lotto, and you are the jackpot. So stay. Treat you so rough. You're my teddy bear. I always know you're there to pick me up. You're the sugar in my tea. You're all so sweet to me day and night. I promise to make a change. Keep up this exchange of love. Can I confess that your loving is the best that I've got? It's like I just won the lotto, and you're the jackpot. So stay.
I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing else but the truth, so help me God. For real. There ain't no fake for this around here. It's all real. We in the stew, 24/7, 365, you dig? It's madness around here, you dig? We all y'all got. One.
I was built to be sharp, right? I thought the road was straight until I had to make it sharp, right? I bags on the pop pipe, flash on the spark, right? Until I spazzed on the song, right? Yeah, these mommies won't cash in they phone life, so I ride them in my passenger zone, like this for my goonies. Nigga, I never move me. We all real, there ain't nothing here loony to me. This ain't a goofy movie. You buffoons confuse me. We directing y'all actors like George Clooney, so keep in tuned into the 1 and 2 and 2 the 3 and 4. There's much more hits to tune into. G, I got some killer kush. It's in my banky bag. That's why I'm sitting a push. Cash in a banky bag. It's madness around here. We bag this shit around here. We get cash real fast around here. Yeah. F-I-R-E, we on fire. Look at me up in the spot doing my thing with my new step. Eyes on me. Look at me doing my thing with my boys. The other spotlights on me. You can hate if you want, or you can bump in the ride.
Shut up now or get shut, cause we don't only get bucks, we get buck. You throwing your sets up, we get you set up. While we throwing our checks up, you getting checked up. Yuck, you laying there, we ain't playing here. Hater, I'm too cool to lose, I ain't playing fair. So watch what you're saying is, you might tell the wrong guy and he might start spraying there. Now you praying here, begging for life. I told you, I got thugs as my extra eyes. I got goons and platoons with some extra guys. Yeah, I need made room for my extra size. So I exercise with manpower, that's real muscle. Got a real hustle player, so my deals double. From the rands to the grands till the mills couple. I'll be still trouble, and they double now.
Look at me up in the spot doing my thing with my new step, eyes on me. Look at me doing my thing with my boys, then now the spotlight's on me. You can hate if you want, or you can bump in the ride.
We went from DAX cassettes to the VCRs to getting paid, getting played on them PVRs. Now we
Paid and we made, you can see we stars.
You can hate, but we praise, but the streets, these bras.
Love who we are,
Push to see cars.
yeah, we be far.
From the 2-week bars.
For real, this is real talk, homie, like we pledged on it.
This is real talk, homie, we got bread on it.
Look at me up in the spot doing my thing with my new step, eyes on me. Look at me doing my thing with my boys, then now the spotlight's on me. You can hate if you want, or you can bump in the ride. Yeah, F-I-R-E. Look at me up in the spot doing my thing with my new step, eyes on me. Look at me doing my thing with my boys, then now the spotlight's on me. You can hate if you want, or you can bump in the ride. Like, ooh, yeah.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into RadioDr.co.za. That was Deleuze featuring Bongs and Mugs with On Fire, and before that was Hands featuring Rhea Black with No Problems. Shout out to Hands doing the most. Is this Hands' first song? I think it is, because he's a DJ, so he's not an artist, he's a DJ and the sound manager of Rich Devin. And I think also Azar, I'm not too sure, but shout out to Hans. Actually, I'm very proud of him doing the most. And yes, so we're still talking about the KFC Meta, which is the 2 rand for donation that the employees are getting warnings for if they do not collect 50% of their customers' 2 rands. Like, for me, this is a sort of oppression of some sorts, because wow, you can't be now forcing people to donate.
How true is it really?
I mean, someone did say on Twitter that they used to work for KFC, and it is true. They need to be donating, I mean, not donating, but giving the 50% of the 2 rands. And now my question is, why are they forced? Because if it was a donation, just a pure donation that comes from the heart, why are people forced and getting warnings to then collect the 2 rands?
Keep the money going.
KFC has a lot of things going.
Gotta feed these kids. It's expensive to feed these kids.
No, with their pap and they soup.
Do they feed them with KFC food in?
Yeah, surely they do. Like, I'm not too sure, but
I don't think they feed them with
I'm convinced they do, because KFC has a lot. They have the mini loaf. They make pap now. They got wings, the chicken. Not only the chicken, but the twisters and all those things. Come on now. Okay. Actually, why are we even? Because wow, now we're gonna tell them they've got ice cream. Why are we even carrying on with this? Because right.
Wow.
But I see collab. But I mean, I just feel like it's not okay that they're forcing their employees to collect 50% of the 2 rands. Because wow, imagine how much money they're making. Because
if it's true, it's fucked up.
If it's true, it is quite not okay. But I mean, some people just want to make money. It's part of CSR also. CSR, actually, I think companies do benefit off CSR. Like a lot of companies.
CSR for dumb people like me.
Corporate social responsibility. Shout out! I still remember. I was so scared. I don't remember. We studied this in business studies in high school.
Hey,
Yeah.
it's seven really maniacal.
Mama, you.
Howard College, how?
Pinetown girls, I boy Pinetown girls now. You're young foodies at JCSR.
I'm a grassroots now.
No. Actually, speaking about high schools, but we are going to talk about this on one of our segments towards the end of the show. But shout out to Pinetown girls, they taught us the most business. Miss Eladan, I love you so much. She's actually the one who taught me Uti. I should collect even my 10 cents from a retail store because those 10 cents can make like 1,000 rand in one day. So she's Miss Eladan, I love you, bruh. I love you. But roundabout now we are going to carry on with the show, and I'm playing you Leo featuring Tiger, not featuring, but they are a duo, Leo and Tiger with Spaceships. They also released a video on YouTube titled Spaceships, and the video is quite clean. So shout out to all the Durbanites doing the most and releasing a lot of music videos. I'm super proud of you guys.
And RadioDr.co.za.
Pinpoint location, pull up on you in the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. Summertime, I'm in the bands. We hit the beach like it's the 4th of July. I love my bitches are fine. We drink champagne, we leave the drama behind. Yeah. Pinpoint location, pull up on you in the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. We got the vibe and it's party. You and I, Shawty, you belong to me. Vibe with me. Have a good time, no sleep. Vibe with me, baby, moving in the G-Wagon. I'm the new honcho. Yeah. Season after season, I see niggas come and go. It's a vicious cycle. Come and go, they come and go. I'ma stay here by your side. Shawty, you my ride or die. Shawty, you my ride or die. Babe, I see you, me, baby, babe. You got the brains, body, and you looking fly. Pinpoint location, pull up on you in the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. Summertime, I'm in the bands. We hit the beach like it's the 4th of July. I love my bitches are fine. We drink champagne, we leave the drama behind. Yeah. Pinpoint location, pull up on you in the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. We got the vibe and it's poppy. Too many clouds on the lower that I paid. I wanted you, but you just wanted the fame. And now the cameras flash back to bite the boo. You, the Gucci pythons, the friends that use you. Flashes, shooters, on me like Laden. Feeling on you like big time. Yeah, I'm feeling on you like big time. Feeling on you, baby. Feeling on you, baby. Fighting with you, baby. Fighting with you, baby. Secure the bag and then flip the bag. I face my demons face first, I pray. I need the money to take care of the family. I need to treat you to fly a bit higher. Pinpoint location, pull up on you in the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. Summertime, I'm in the bands. We hit the beach like it's the 4th of July. I love my bitches are fine. We drink champagne, we leave the drama behind. Yeah. Pinpoint location, pull up on you in the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. We got the vibe and it's poppy. Pinpoint location, pull up on you in the spaceship. We got the vibe on the spaceship. She wanna ride on the spaceship. Summertime, I'm in the bands. We hit the beach like it's the 4th of July. I love my bitches so fine. We drink champagne, we leave the drama behind.
My African odyssey, I know it's hard to see when you just blinded by love. Yeah. You plead for the best, got no S on my chest. I ain't coming for a girl just to save you. You all on my nuts, but you share by the public. You probably think I'ma cash you. I ain't with it, I'll stretch by the avenue. You got it, yes, dude, I'm that kind of dude. What you simmer down? Baby girl, stop it, just simmer down. Don't you tell me you dating Chris Snakes. I'ma probably go ham and just renegade. But now, girl, it's too clear to say you wasn't showing any clarity. But I ain't messing with no basic beat, so basically you based it all on jealousy. That's just a felony, no.
Why are you and me and I'm with you? I said, why you gotta talk about you and me when we're just fucking? Girl said, why are you always on my mind? You just styling like all the time. You chose me. You love me. You trust me.
Yeah. My ride is you clinky. Yeah. Naked truth, you just tell when you're with me. Ooh. Check up on me for the revenue. But girl, you precious than a ruby. Flex. I know you empty without all your diamonds and pearls. I'm just glad that your last name ain't Thusi. I can't conform to your needs, and the air that you breathe is exuberant. But came for that booty, all I wanted was a quick smash one time. Celebrate, then I pump the gas so nice. I don't know with you, but it feels so right. Girl, you in the hot seat, put that ass on ice. Shorty so good, need a goodie bag. Don't get too clingy, ain't coming back. Love is so damn overrated. I be feeling too damn complacent, yeah.
Why are you and me and I'm with you? I said, why you gotta talk about you and me when we're just fucking? Girl said, why are you always on my mind? You just styling like all the time. You chose me. You love me. You trust me.
When you all alone, girl, you know I'll make it in a second. See, I'm finna set a record. 100 rounds make 11. I take her out to dinner, we can wait. Know that we be fucking in the restroom. She be screaming, June, June, June. She like a flower that's about to bloom. You been on my mind for so long, I can seem to think of anything. Visualize you with your clothes off. God damn it, I can manifest. You the fucking best, I just hope you know it's only you, it's not a contest. We can hide in my room, switch our phones off so they can find us, oh yeah.
Why are you and me and I'm with you? I said, why you gotta talk about you and me when we're just fucking? Girl said, why are you always on my mind? You just styling like all the time. You chose me.
You are now tuned in to Recording Live with Aint on RadioDr.co.za.
Welcome to Durban, smell of cocaine, the air is bourbon. Close your curtains, one thing's for certain. Throats are burning, not a man is earning, which is quite concerning. We give the vermin our monthly earnings. We keep returning to a past or person. Things are worsen, tensions lurking, never learning. We keep them working. But this is my city, my home, my house. The only thing I know since I was a sprout. So welcome to Durban, home of blackouts. So little opportunity, so much doubt. But this is my city, my home, my house. The only thing I know since I was a sprout. So welcome to Durban, home of blackouts. So little opportunity, so much doubt. Upfront payments to save your soul. Doesn't even matter if you're 9 years old. Keep your family close, those are hands you hold. City streets are cold on your home for the bold. Nothing gets done, nothing gets sold. Forget about that issue, call it resolved. Don't look now, man, don't get involved. Do what you want, just do what you're told. But this is my city, my home, my house. The only thing I know since I was a sprout. So welcome to Durban, home of blackouts. So little opportunity, so much doubt. But this is my city, my home, my house. The only thing I know since since I was a sprout. So welcome to Durban, home of blackouts. So little opportunities, so much doubt.
It seems like Durban's irrelevant, like it's junk status. They fuck with you if you're poppin' or if you're shit famous. But that isn't the Durban that I wanna think about. I'll think about the woman's bees and when the pretty sun come out. Sweetie God, this is the city that be stuck with dreams. So much talent in the clicks, we have the greatest teams. So much energy, amazing human beings. Yeah, and that we pretty dope too. Durban has the greatest scenes and all the greatest moments. We also have the greatest comics just for your amusement. You'll catch us hanging at the Winston, reminiscing on missions. Our vision be clearer than a sunny day. We'd rather handle it ourselves cause we got our way. I pass out all my holy sheets and call it KKK. Hold up, wait, holy sheets, nah. All three won't be booming louder than a shotgun. We throwing shit all over Durban cause we got some. Them other cities dream of oceans cause they got none. All this shit ain't lies, we only talking facts. They try to steal our shine, now we take it back.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into RadioDr.co. That was Third Shade with Welcome to Durban, and before that was Chris Snakes featuring God and June with Why. So Third Shade is a duo, actually. I don't know why they named themselves Third Shade. They emailed me their song, Welcome to Durban, and sent me a short bio. So now I want to know from you if you think the song is good. I mean, I think the song is okay.
From me?
Not you, but you can also give me like feedback as to what you think of the song. But I already think the song is okay. They could do so much better compared to what they're doing right now. And Jay, I feel like artists should stop sleeping on themselves, and I always say this. So they must up their game because it's not a season for fumbling, because people are doing the most. They are working really hard, especially artists in Durban that we know, artists like Chris Snakes, Ivy and Neptune, Yashna.
See that new Chris Snakes video?
I did. EY, amazing. Shout out to Sky Star Films. They're doing it.
Shout out to Nana.
Shout out to Nana for directing it. Hey, I'm super proud of her. Now, if you don't remember who Nana is she's not a producer. She's the director, videographer, and photographer that we had a few weeks ago. I think 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. She came in and we spoke about the summers and what really happens behind the scenes. She's the one who actually directed that video. So if you do have time and data, just go over to YouTube, check it out. It's Chris Snakes featuring God and June with Y, and it also plays on Channel O. So apparently also the other two music stations will finally catch up and start playing it. Channel O always beats people. But I see collabo. We about to head over to our triple threat, and our triple threat today is Younger Chief. Not young. Silo actually thought I was talking about the younger that won Idols.
I didn't know we had two youngers. I thought that younger won Idols.
Huh?
When I thought Younger Chief won Idols. I was like, oh, when did Younger Chief win Idols? I thought so.
Oh, Younger. Does he even know how to sing?
But I didn't know we had two youngers in the country. I thought it was
what would Younger be doing on Idols, first of all? Because
doesn't he sing in Chiga?
No. What? Like, good golly, Silo. I'm shook.
I'm just saying.
Wow, no ways. Younger can never be on Idols. He can't sing, first of all. And what? Like, even if he could sing, like, no. Yeah, no. Yes. Younger's not the one. He's not the one for Idols. But yeah, our triple threat today is Younger. Younger started off as a director. He actually directed AKA's music videos back in the D's. That's how he got introduced into the music industry as well. Like, that's how he met the right people. And in the interview, he did say that, AKA and whoever else that he shot music videos for paid him a little as 5,000 rand. But 5,000 rand back in the days, I mean, that was money. But still not like a whole lot of money.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't, but...
Not for a music video.
Yeah, because right now, AKA actually paid, I think 200k. Yes, he paid 200k for the Giga music video, which he also shot. Which was also shot by Sky Star. And imagine 5k. The difference is like a lot. So now he's deciding to go back to school and study directing and stuff because he sees Uti in the industry. Yes, it's tough. But I'm actually like, I encourage people to go study because if you are in the music industry, because wow, the music industry does not play with kids. It will eat you up alive and you're gonna be like, how did I get here? No matter how dope you are. And if you are like a big artist as well, I think it's wise that you save and invest in good things because that money can go within a month and you screwed. So I feel like what Younger is doing is quite smart, and it took him a while to actually realize it, but the fact that he realized it is a good thing. So I am playing you Utatako, Run Josie and Tricky by Younger, and straight after that I will be playing you a song by Raspy featuring Big Star Johnson with Love Things. Enjoy.
I didn't ask you to sit, I asked how much it was. How much is this, Marie? It's very expensive, very expensive. Look, I got money to spend in here. I don't think we have anything for you.
But in discuss, yeah. Banye batin de bakas, yeah. Baga wa mugcwele ngas, yeah. Number yami say ikas. Yami phoning on your plus. Yami flowing on love. Doing what they won't allow. Hulu men to bring the loud. Thank you, sir, boy. Maskale ngodaling yebo. Oza madaling nanzo. Roll that shit up for your boy. Zugu zonke ndithi mihla yonke nzobapapatisa ngalomli. Super focused, I need 2 Coronas and I'm good to go without a meal. Hey, riding solo, fuck a dick. Shy is low on London big. So just forget the matter. Abandon like my matter. Lamatanga now I tell. Swear to God I never tell. Don't approach us in the vid. Boy, my shoulders got a yeah. Full swag, drip. Namkuta talk, yeah. New bag, big. Namkuta talk, yeah. Still show them how to click. Namkuta talk, yeah. No dash, sip. Namkuta talk. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Smoking a lot up in myself. They say I'm a bigger problem to myself. I need a little Zaga just to Stevie Wonder how we feel to ponder and excel. This shit drive me so crazy. Life for chicken, drink and maze. Spark it up and meditate. Pinky finna give me brain. Fuck a shower, let it rain. I'm $1 if you pay. Every summer they gon' need another rapper cool as China for the wave. Yeah, no cap. Y'all funny niggas get no daps. One middle finger with no strap. Got to the kitchen with no map, no gas. Started dances, spot. Spaka, budget, time. Start a party live. Spooning, sun on live. Full swag, drip. Namkuta talk, yeah. New bag, big. Namkuta talk, yeah. Still show them how to click. Namkuta talk, yeah. No dash, sip. Namkuta talk. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Kasuke kapuzun pathelulwa. Nobunga thando ngathumuvela. Lama khwankwa madala nenkani. Khonkosela ngezandla sibentathu. Safitli has, phansi kwamatras, saphikisana, phelile inyani, babulisana, balwa ngamandla, bafundisana, khomntu nalwazi. I don't ever want no part in that. Cause I know I never part in that. I was jiggy bringing summer back. Way before I wore the starter caps. How they shade us like we Thundercats. Y'all can keep it, I don't want it back. Ain't a diss to bring your mommy back. Now the feature costs 100 racks. Relax. You understand? Study the facts. Relax. Spark up a jet. Full swag. Drip. Namkuta talk. Yeah. New bag. Big. Namkuta talk. Yeah. Still show them how to click. Namkuta talk. Yeah. No dash. Sip. Namkuta talk. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. Oh my darling, yeah. I've been light up, immediately.
I'm about to roll up some sticky. I'm about to throw in some dickies. Mommy say she need a quickie, so I tell her fuck a biggie. Shit is very, 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 very tricky. Stiff got to the bullshit. Do the honors if the shoe fits. Secure the bag. We never run out of cash. You speaking fun, I got low. I'm with my fun, but no. Every time we in the building, feel like it's a million niggas tryna greet me. Ballin' with all of my bros. We did it all on our own.
Put me in charge of the cannonballs. My shit is louder than anybody. Choke on the power, leave y'all niggas sour. Konge nuncha casa kwa pelipa. Party, 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 pa. Feel like it's up with pita. Buza bangan bam, if ujala ngam, then it party, 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 pa. I see the coke fall from the roof. Lucky my Jordan 4 shatterproof. Bitches on all fours on the 4th floor. Getting more sores than the future. That's what they fall for. That's the truth. That list a 4-4 win the coupe. Even the North Pole of a Jojo. I got more dough in the pool. Bitches be shining and getting back. Shine like a diamond in Africa. Killing on sight, I'm an animal. Live like a rider, fuck everybody. Power shout like every hour. Send another shout out to the streets. Younger, cheap. Getting gouter in the beat.
I'm about to roll up some sticky. I'm about to throw in some dickies. Mommy say she need a quickie, so I tell her fuck a biggie. Shit is very, 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 very tricky. Stiff got to the bullshit. Do the honors if the shoe fits. Secure the bag. We never run out of cash. You speaking fun, I got low. I'm with my fun, but no. Every time we in the building, feel like it's a million niggas tryna greet me. Ballin' with all of my bros. We did it all on our own.
Shit so easy, need a challenger. The days are numbered like a calendar. Baja Wiki never holler back. Cover the game like a running back. I'm the freshest out the cookies. Shadow niggas from the pulpit. Balaclava in a toolkit. I've been dropping like a pulpit. Fresh out the bed. Stay afraid for your sins. Smoking J in the bitch. Dodging traffic to a gig. Yeah, Buffalo soldier. Dreadlock Rasta. Fresh out of Africa. They know my shit in Jamaica. Smoking with Haitians. Rasta man, why you say no? I am a baker. All that nigga get your cake up. And I've been dope since my water broke. And I'ma do it till I'm 44. Graduated working 9 to 5. About to make a million, nigga, walk it up.
I'm about to roll up some sticky. I'm about to throw in some dickies. Mommy say she need a quickie, so I tell her fuck a biggie. Shit is very, 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 very tricky. Stiff got to the bullshit. Do the honors if the shoe fits. Secure the bag. We never run out of cash. You speaking fun, I got low. I'm with my fun, but no. Every time we in the building, feel like it's a million niggas tryna greet me. Ballin' with all of my bros. We did it all on our own.
Started from bottom, was rolling around in that Toyota bucket. The summer is ours, I'm hungry for power, Gaddafi. You turn on the tube and all that you see is Versace. You go to my school, they can tell you shbak Kusani. This ain't the land of the free, no propaganda machine. Handle my flag on the screen, then light a candle for deeps, okay? Smoking the jets, smoking the jets, smoking the black cigarettes, taking it straight to the head, chicken select, this is the sweetest revenge.
Gosi, Sigalela, Tina na Makenge, good, Run Josie.
I'm holding the crown, my soldiers surround, so throw in the towel. We come through the kitchen with owner's permission, the photos allowed.
My flow is so hazardous, Fanagiti can nobody handle this. I annihilated all my competition, so there's no further challenges. Look, going against the authority, one is totally blasphemous. In a city where having no morality is totally fabulous. What's going on with these amateurs over the internet posting some messages? Next thing you know, your career is over. Dwana, over some characters. It's the juxtaposition of choosing stupidity over intelligence. Domazano shishili zangan. once and you're hoping for happiness. Sem sabe nik me lose bege is crucial. Lobo tembiche they no tembe umuntu. They laugh in your face while they playing and no shoot you. Bafuna nje ukuculela makukung zokubamba ngo left and ikubambe ngo right. Man not left I will hurt you. We out here living that Escom life, yeah, we in that power circle. See, all I ever wanted was a peace of mind to speak my mind, the streets are mine, yeah, I ain't even reached my prime. Sazo benza busy blind, dingy sazo benza busy blind. Ow, minang insimbedezinye, redefine, just read between the lines. And when the sparks fly, hope you can see the grind. See the grind, yeah?
Gosi, sikelela, Tina na makenge. Good, good, run Josie. Gosi, sikelela, Tina na makenge. Good, good.
Sebachela ukuthi kuphethe thina la. Kodwa kungena hapa kuphuma hapa kungena hapa kuphuma hapa kwenzenja. Dala sebachela ukuthi kuphethe thina la. Kodwa kungena hapa kuphuma hapa kungena hapa kuphuma hapa kwenzenja.
I'm something like Haile Selassie, beautiful women in Jassy. Godspeed to my competition. But whatever your palm reads, I'm on a mission like farm militia. They politician and hot seat. Up with the gods, top of the charts. Name a level I can't read. Better check credentials, better check protect the temple. Do you want progress or you want Rolex? Better make mine presidential, influential. More gold bottle, no role models. This whole model is up and we all follow. No good gate, no magistrate, just rhyme shaped like cold bottle. Banknotes falling, no foreign, no problem. Medieval faces in briefcases like Zim died. Say our father.
Gosi, sikelela, Tina na makenge. Good, good, run Josie. Gosi, sikelela, Tina na makenge. Good, good, run Josie. Run Josie. Run Josie.
I'm holding the crown, my soldiers surround, so throw in the towel. We come through the kitchen with owner's permission, the photos alone.
Honey, when you get home, there ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love. Honey, when you get home, there ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Please finish while you started. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Please finish while you started.
I'ma tell you like this, that late night kiss is something that a nigga might miss on them late night trips. Club hopping, late night shifts. Seen love, but I never seen it make like this. Body, but I never seen a shape like this. Party, but I never seen it ape like this. Nah, and we do it too, man. We getting straight up to the real thing. Never need the crew fame. I'm out here chilling with my boo thing. Private party on a Tuesday. Me now it goes a goose. See, I just wanna make your body do things. Girl, you got me sideways. When it's Monday, girl, you make it feel like Friday. Got me thankful for the Lord's grace, my babe. Really shows off the Lord's taste. Holly, she a fire flame, a straight talker who ain't into mind games. I'm thankful she ain't telling me this, she ain't telling me that. She just tell me she want it and I keep bringing it back. Say when I'm on the track, she keeps spitting these facts. Cause I'm the only one that's putting real on the map. Maar verder wat up, she gon' tell me to finish. Come home and handle it fast.
You make me feel some kind Today angikhona duze kwakho ebusuku nemini ngiyamfunga ugogo udlamini. My heart is for you and you are for me. Honey, when you get home, there ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love, honey, when you get home. There ain't no talking, there ain't no catching up. We getting straight into the real thing. Let's make love. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. You make me feel some kind of way, and I try to fight the feeling. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Please finish while you started. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into RadioDr.co.za. We are now headed over to our socials, and we are introducing a new feature on the show, which is I am going to be headed over to Twitter, and I will find interesting things that people are tweeting or talking about. Funny things, sad things, emotional things, interesting things, whatever it is. And then I'll put it up here on our show. I'll discuss it here on our show. And today, our first one, this guy should be legendary. He should be a legend. He's legendary. Wow, my English today. What is wrong with my speech today? My speech today.
Speaking English.
Oh well, today my tongue is just not cooperating. I don't understand. Guys, I've had a tough week, yes, but we're not going to talk about that. So our tweet is from @_DXRYL. That's DXRYL. Yeah, what is it? My tongue is not doing the more. So now this guy says 4 distinctions this semester, not even a congratulations or usebenzile. You high, black parents are toxic, bro.
You can always do harder and work better.
No, but I mean, it's always nice to be encouraged. Like, I feel like our parents are not doing it. Sometimes they don't do it. But I mean, at the same time, they do say, you're doing it for yourself and you're not doing it for us. Tina, we've done it. Therefore, like, now it's over. We can't be now. We can't do it for ourselves. Do it for you.
So guess I will tell you about distinctions of guess.
Uba.
That's what the black parents would say.
Wow, no. Mama would never say that. Guys, don't listen to Cito. Bathing is quite important. It is quite important. So, another thing that was happening on Twitter this week, well, the past week, was that people were listing high schools that have players. And in Durban, if you want to put it that way, yes. And they mentioned boys' schools and girls' schools. And I was so sad to see my school was there. Pinetown Girls. I was like, I disagree. Pinetown Girls was never a players. We were played. We were players. So this is the order. Durban Girls College, lies. Westville Girls. Mm-hmm. Westville Girls. I don't know if this is an order or what. Westville Girls, yes, they are players. I will definitely be like, yes.
Westville Girls.
Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. Durban Girls High School, St. Anne's in PMB Girls High. And then Undu Escobar decided to add Pinetown Girls. People were actually asking that. What's Rich Park in the Moati?
Moat Park, all the schools at Park.
They are the ones. They are actually the ones who should be on the list and first on the list. So with the boys' school, I'm a dribblers, I'm a boys. So at Durban Boys High, well, it's not Durban Boys, it's Durban High School. True, I totally agree.
DHS.
Northwood High School.
Ay, Gapiga.
Did you go to Northwood?
Wawufunda
khona yini?
Yeah.
Wawufunda khona?
It doesn't matter, it's besides the point.
Okay, wawufunda khona yini? Yes or no? No wonder kusho nje. So I guess ithathe
number 2.
Yes, number 2. Number 3, Glenwood High School.
Yes, for you, yes.
No, I don't think so. I don't know many boys. I only know one boy.
Glenwood High School, they go to the matric dance in their uniform.
Which is cool.
And all the girls wear green to try back.
Really?
Yes.
Yo.
That's the funny part. I see the uniform part, but it's the girls all trying to wear green to back.
Yeah, no, it's not the one.
That's the funniest part.
It's not the one. But they think they uniform is, I think it's quite cool. It saves like a whole lot of money. I'm sure parents are happy. And then 4th is George Campbell. George. Did I say George?
George.
Oh shh. My tongue today, guys. I've been saying, but George Campbell. But it's not a boys' school. It's just that there are many boys. Babeshayana, babethanda ukulwa. Phela into engiyaziyo mina ngeGeorge Campbell.
Who's George Campbell Loki?
There's a guy by the name of Tandwa who went to George Campbell. I love that guy.
Meech went to George Campbell.
Yes, Meech went to George Campbell. Alex went to George Campbell, but she's a girl. Who else? Yeah, no, George Campbell was not like a big thing. It's rugby people. And then 5th school is Pinetown Boys High School. Yes, I agree. Totally agree.
Yeah, because they're in your vicinity.
Haibo. Besides that, they are dribblers. Footy, they should be number 1. Pinetown Boys, come on guys, number 1. I'm sorry. Pinetown Boys, they are dribblers. I never dated a guy from Pinetown Boys, but they were just not my type of people. I was interested in guys from Durban High School. Yeah, when I get up, I'm like, yes, because they were like bougie.
Did you actually say Durban High School?
Yeah.
The full Durban High School.
No, but Durban Boys High School is Durban High School. It's not Durban Boys High School.
It's DHS. Everybody says DHS.
But that's an abbreviation of Durban High School.
Who says the whole name? Nobody says the whole name.
Well, I just did because it's the right thing to do, CeeLo. Oh, whatever. Oh, well, the one that I don't agree with the most is Westville Boys High School.
And Northwood.
I have to say.
I don't agree with Northwood.
I'm not Northwood and gas, so I can't comment there.
No, I'm speaking from experience. No.
Exactly, thank you very much. All the others, they are birds. But Jay, number 2 foods. But I totally don't agree with Westville Boys. I feel like Westville Boys are gents, and they're the ones who buy their girlfriends gifts and stuff. So Jay, dead. Just because they buy their girlfriends gifts. That's the type of boyfriend I would like. Thank you very much.
Who said my girlfriend wanted rings in an e-wallet, and he put the money in the flowers, and that was the e-wallet.
I really don't like those things.
Exactly.
Because it's just annoying. Why bruh? Footy, I don't think the giver should be posting. It's the receiver that should be posting. Cause wow, what are you trying to say? You flexing?
It's my Twitter.
We don't want to see what you're giving. Let the receiver receive and post. Thank you. Block. Bye.
Bye.
Because wow. Anyway, we headed over to our celebrity news. KP, Prince KP.
Oh, short pan.
Bickering about their arms. Men and their egos and arms. I can't deal.
Everybody has an ego. Don't say men and their egos. You have an ego.
I have one, but it's not as bad as. I wouldn't bicker on socials about an arm.
But you pick up an ass.
I don't even do that.
You wouldn't, but
I wouldn't.
If some girl that you didn't like came at you, I'd be like, oh my gosh, Minnie's ass is not as big as mine. And you can clearly see that her ass is not as big as yours?
I'd just be like, hey, bruh, whatever makes you sleep at night.
I don't think so.
I really don't have the energy to, bruh, how am I going to benefit? Is that person paying me? Is that person feeding me? So, no, thank you. I can't entertain such things because, wow, there's more to life than just
boys will be boys.
Yeah, no. Girls will not be girls. I refuse to be a girl because, wow.
Girls are always girls.
Well, yeah, you could say that. You could say that. But the show carries on. You are still tuned into Monday Mayhem with Minnie Thusi.
Shawty playing games, got me out here looking Mario. Used to never want me, now she sweat me like it's cardio. Young nigga drip, can't resist it if you want it, ho. 40-37 hitters, what you think I bought them for? Pull up to your spot, do my thing, then I crash. Pull up on your block, do my thing, then I dash. Super saucy special, shawty came in with the splash. Came in with the level, made him scrape it off the glass.
Share some moments. Got Henny, I'm mixing a potion. I'm custom to killing the pussy and then I just send my condoners shit. Yeah, like Western Prada, I'm the reason why you'd go to Muzi over Kate Trinata, upper echelon. Being a sweet served by Esteban. Pretty Ivy, dripping silky, spotted in Asian restaurants. Left it on record, you dead to me. Time to be spent for like dead to me. Lately you been at your worst, clearly I did what was best for me. Pull up to your block, did my thing, Manjang Seg. Parents, twins, Django sled. With white kicks like Othello, smoking swishes with a mistress. Then I send her David's digits. Cause all these close encounters made me wish I kept my distance. Bitch, I'm a mess and I love it. You never see it in public. Broke but I run up a budget. Fuck it while doing the Dougie. Breast thighs, Kentucky. My Dahlia killer, Chucky. The cake boss, buddy. The red wine, bloody.
Shawty playing games, got me out here looking Mario. Used to never want me, now she sweat me like it's cardio. Young nigga drip, can't resist it if you want it, ho. 40-37 hitters, what you think I bought them for? Pull up to your spot, do my thing, then I crash. Pull up on your block, do my thing, then I dash. Super saucy special, shawty came in with the splash. Came in with the level, made him scrape it off the glass.
Ay, yo, fuck it, I'll get in my own way. Go to the city to show face. Niggas sounded dessert like it's parfait. I eat in the south before gourmet. In her mouth and left for my offsprings. Drinking on Fiji and outcase. Only one city, my home base. Bitch, game got me playing on offense. Never put tags on office. Price got me feeling so nauseous. Turbulence on that dust. Hope, rocking through stripes Adidas. Red bodies smoking on demons. My pack only feel hyenas. Don't care what your niggas wanna be. Yes, Coupon is full of Yetis. I might call it a truce if my dogs ain't ready. I might fuck up the price if I'm cuffing Kelly. Your bitch at the top of my itinerary. I call and collect with my embassy. I don't jump any beat as a courtesy. Gang gravity to the left of me. And the IV know what he finna be.
Shawty playing games, got me out here looking Mario. Used to never want me, now she sweat me like it's cardio. Young nigga drip, can't resist it if you want it, ho. 40-37 hitters, what you think I bought them for? Pull up to your spot, do my thing, then I crash. Pull up on your block, do my thing, then I dash. Super saucy special, shawty came in with the splash. Came in with the level, made him scrape it off the glass.
something to say. I can't. Every single time you look up my way, I know. Didn't have to be the one to tell you so. Cause baby, I can't be the only one. You got me going crazy, baby. See what I'm saying now? And maybe we can chill the next time when you come around. And I know I'm sounding crazy, to let you know you got it going on. I'm falling for you. What am I gonna do? I'm falling for you. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm falling for you, baby. What am I gonna do? I'm falling for you. I'm falling.
Yeah, babe. Smoke a lot 'cause I prefer to be blunt when I talk. Yeah. All I got in this world is my word and my balls. Yeah. I know where your mama stay, but you belong in my arms. Yeah. Fuck me so good, make me wanna hit raw. Yeah. Said you falling, I'm just picking up from where we left off. Yeah. The last time I tried this kind of shit, it didn't get far. Who am I kidding anyway? It's probably my fault. And maybe I ain't trying to be that nigga no more. Since you falling, you accepted me for me and my flaws. Yeah, I need you to be sure.
Baby, what I'm saying is true. Think I might be falling for you. Baby, they don't care about you.
Razem wstanie saka, albo a kiedyś kuzele łęci to ja powiem. I pull it card and over, to shine over. Ah, over that cafulela. But you know, when you come up here, but you know, some Chinese, just let's say so the son of a fellow guy. That is so much love. Ega satare costa bene che ti cane il tuebe. Ega satare va a correre che ti cane quello fa. Ya che so baderab, cane va se abattotta in peli. Ya che so baderab, cane va se abattotta in peli. Ega satare costa bene che ti cane il tuebe. Ega satare va a correre che ti cane quello fa. Padela bucopa vida. Cane va se abattotta in peli. E padela bucopa vida. Io era io ti pepe. Io ti pepe. Cane va se abattotta in peli. Padela bucopa vida. Cane va se abattotta in peli. E padela bucopa vida. Cane va se abattotta in peli. Padela bucopa vida. Cane va se abattotta in peli. Io ti pepe. Cane va se abattotta in peli. When you come on me, Shana was say about your time penny. If I tell you come on me, Shana was say about your time penny. But you know, Shana was say about your time penny. Come to shoot love yama. So say you wanna have fun about the soul. Papi water, I'm on you to Salu Fuda Maheba. Pagana, Tessu Kabatafula. Such business yak of a dwarf. Esleta wasala, Tegala, iti wasu soskola. Speti bola yo bilo, Shifu, ya shosholosa. Atelama, Poliseri, Abuja futu musu hono chwala. South Figa Leo Tower, Yasalaba fellow gas. Tegala, As Figa Leo Tower, Yasalaba fellow gas. Ego fitzi, so go salaba pulo for As Figa Leo Tower. Ego fabo pulo for go salaba pia As Figa Leo Tower. Patelami, I get the fellow when the fellow beg a bid. Over that fellow for the beg a weather. Patelami, hello, your trip. Shall I say about your time penny? Patelamu compa bida. Shall I say about your time penny? Hello, your trip. Shall I say about your time penny? Shall I say about your time penny? Hello, your trip. Shall I say about your time penny? Patelamu compa bida. Shall I say about your time penny? Hello, your trip. Shall I say about your time penny? Yeah, but your time penny. Padena be abadoda ipere. Ega satane kosopere netikale pwebe. Ega satane bakorere netikale kulupa. Padena bukopa mira. Kale wase abadoda ipere. Ega na padena. Kale wase abadoda ipere. Yeah. Sapere che ti cade il puebe. Ega satane bakorere che ti cade kulupa. Padena bukopa mira. Kale wase abadoda ipere. Padena bukopa mira. Kale wase abadoda ipere.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie Thusi, and you are tuned into Radio DR. I actually have to talk about one song that we just played out of the whole songs that we played right now. Guess which song I'm talking about?
I don't know. Tell me.
Zola 7 Umdlwembe. Lalela.
Wow.
Lalela. I used to love Zola 7. His music used to be so nice. I was in primary school. I think I was in primary school. Heba Satan, Heba Cornet. Lalela, Zola 7 was the thing. He was the ish. He needs to come back. But maybe his Katsaka is over. But yes, sis. Huh? Yeah, but it's very hard to come back as an artist, hey? Once you're down. Yes, coming up is a mission and a half. For example, a person who did that was KO.
Super dupe.
Yeah. Great comeback. Great after. Remember, my songs before that song, they were just like,
It's kind of love.
It's kind of love. After it's kind of love, that's when it went down. It went south. Because he released a song, I wouldn't expect you to know the video where Ring, I think it's Ring or something. The name of the song, you know it, CeeLo, come on.
I think I know the song.
You know it. It's here, but it's not coming out. But okay, yes, him. But anyway, cool stuff's happening around Durban. Last week there was Amapigo for the whole of last week.
It was Saturday, nigga.
Huh?
It was Saturday.
No, but it happened for the whole week. They had it.
Okay,
yeah, they had it for the whole
sorry,
week.
Minnie.
Thank you. Apology accepted.
I'm a man, I can apologize.
Where men, especially Zulu men, can never apologize. So Nje, I'm actually shook.
I was there at Amapigo Shyness.
And how was it?
It was pretty sick. I like the layouts of the whole venue. Red Bull, really dope one.
Yeah.
And the whole concept behind it as well. Like, it's cool. Like, they had the whole music thing, so they kind of like helping the arts and culture department open up the studios back to the community again. So
Because it closed.
It closed down,
Yeah.
so now it's a reopening. And they made like an initiative to bring artists to be able to record throughout the week for free. And then
Oh, really? Was it for free?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was for free. I think T-Bag was telling me it was for free. And then now the studios officially open back to the community. And then they also had social entrepreneurs there.
Yeah.
There was talks about women. Like, I think it was Nandi Matita. She did that interview coming up next week on Deep Road. Check that out. And then, yeah, no, it was a generally cool event. It was about mainly social entrepreneurship as well.
Yeah.
So they had a bunch of entrepreneurs that I think they've been in the Amapigo Academy type thing, working with Red Bull for all the various things. So, I really like the concept. It was a cool thing.
Is Red Bull now a partner with the KZN studios or?
No, so like I said, they were helping opening it up. So now they kind of have handed over the thing to the community and the arts and culture department.
Yeah.
It was just a cool, they were partners in a sense, so helping the community see which there are these resources available out here and they are ready to be used.
So how much do you think it is to record?
It's really not that bad for a professional studio. I think because it's per hour, but I mean, now you're not gonna go there, you're gonna go invest in your own project, whether it be a voiceover for your movie,
Yeah.
or recording voiceover for radio. Like it's a great industry grade studio. I've been in them before. Like they're really nice, and it's for the money you're getting. I think studios that like that cost 500 to 1,000 rand a month.
Sheesh.
So like I think you'd be paying like 100, 150 or something an hour. So like
100, 150
instead of the 500.
Oh, that's not bad. That's really not bad.
Yeah, so it's really not bad if you want to invest in your art. Really, KZN Music House is dope.
So they don't do all the mastering. You just go there to record a pen.
Well, you can master there. It's a studio because you still need to listen to stuff while you're mastering. So you can master there if you have your person to master. They can come plug in, set up their stuff, and master in there because they have the best. Because they have world-class microphones, all of that stuff.
So people should not be sending us mediocre music now because there's a place.
There's really no excuse. Over and above, NJ, like I did my research for this radio station. Like you just gotta do your research, find out what works for you because everybody's thing is different. So you gotta get it. It starts from the hardware and then to your raps, NJ. All of how you connect everything, it all adds up. And to the sound.
So people must use it. Where is KZN Music Studios?
It's by Greyville.
Okay.
It's like check it out. It's easy to Google. KZN
Yeah,
Music
Google.
House,
Everything's on Google Valley these days. So
and Nasty C was there. That was dope.
Yeah.
Really shuts down the crowd. He pulls a freaking crowd. That kid.
Because he's young, so it's inspirational for a lot of people. It's okay. Nasty C can do it, and he started from nothing to something. Because he started. I remember Nasty C very, very well when he was like upcoming. He was 16, and I was in grade 11 the time I saw him. I don't think it was the first time seeing him though, because he was rolling with one of the guys I knew back in the days. And we saw him on Florida, and we were like, oh God, Ponzo. He was so short, like, oh Ponzo, no. And we hugged him. We like, oh my gosh, because I just felt so old, man. Like I'm just a year older than him, but he was just so short. So shout out to Nasty C. He's doing great for himself. Well, that is how we wrap up the show today, right here on Monday Mayhem. And today was our 8th show, 7th. What show is it?
I don't know.
It's our 7th show.
It is our 7th show.
We are close
if
to
it's
a
our
decade.
8th show, I'm sorry, but it's our 7th show.
Yeah. No, it's our 8th show today. I'm like super, super excited. We are so close to reaching 10. I'm super, like, we should celebrate.
10, yeah.
We must buy wings.
We always buy wings here.
Yeah, but we must buy wings. That's how we got to celebrate.
Celebrate with wings.
Yes.
I think it's around month end.
Or maybe
we
sushi. Wings, sushi.
Sushi's nice.
Sushi. I know the best place for sushi.
Down the road.
Yes. You know my secrets. You know my secrets. And orange juice. Thank you very much. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I am Minnie Thusi, and it has been real.
Oh.
Namhlanje mama ngeke ngilale ekhaya. Namhlanje mama ngeke ngibuye ekhaya. Wasebenza khona ngizokwakhela umuzi wakho. Namhlanje mama ngeke ngilale ekhaya. Namhlanje mama ngeke ngibuye ekhaya. Wasebenza khona ngizokwakhela umuzi wakho. Yimini themba lakho yimina. Yimini themba lakho yimina. Yimini themba lakho yimina. Yimini themba lakho yimina. Ithemba lakho mama.
Lana kusemhlabeni manyembeza skoki. As long as I'm perfume sadibene nenyama. Lemba ikabed. Lemba skyqedi. Imdaga mama. Imdaga dada. Begi dolo panto bizumfelinga. Ngakube tuso.
Namhlanje mama ngeke ngibuye ekhaya Ngiyosebenza khona ngizokwakhela umuzi wakho Namhlanje mama ngeke ngilale ekhaya Namhlanje mama ngeke ngibuye ekhaya Ngiyosebenza khona ngizokwakhela umuzi wakho Jimina Yimini themba lakho yimina Yimini themba lakho yimina Yeah, Chimina, Yimini themba lakho yimina, Yimini themba lakho yimina, Ithemba lakho